Business owners and investors, is your business losing deals due to visa restrictions? Frustrated with endless paperwork and travel delays? Is your wealth and your family's future tied to a country where things can change overnight? If so, this message is for you. In just 6 months, you could hold one of the world's most powerful passports, a Dominica passport with visa-free access to over 140 countries, legal tax benefits, and a rock-solid Plan B for your future. This isn't a loophole, it's a government-approved program backed by a Dominica Citizenship by Investment Unit, one of the oldest and most trusted programs in the world. And in the next 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how it works. At Uno Capital, we specialize in fast-tracking Dominica citizenship for high net worth individuals. And here is exactly what you get. First, fast-track passport approval, so you'll get a second government-approved passport in half the time of most other programs. Second, visa-free travel to over 140 countries, including Schengen, China, Singapore, and no more humiliating visa applications, no more rejected trips. And third, asset protection and tax advantages. Dominica offers zero tax on foreign income, capital gains, wealth, and inheritance. And here's the best part. Dominica allows dual citizenship. So your current passport, you can keep it. This is your second passport, a second home, second option, and a second life. So, you're probably thinking, this sounds too good to be true. And that's exactly why we are the only firm that guarantees results with a fully legal, government-approved process, 100% success rate for qualified applicants, and full transparency, so no hidden fees and no surprises. So, if you are still wondering if this works, just look at the success of our clients. For an Indian entrepreneur, after 5 years of visa delays, we secured his Dominica passport in just 6 months. For an Iranian wealth manager, sanctions threatened his business and over 200 international clients, so we secured his second passport, ensuring global mobility and uninterrupted operations. And for a Lebanese investor, political instability put his assets at risk, so we built his Plan B in just 6 months, safeguarding his wealth and family. And these are just a few of the many success stories we've created. With countless 5-star reviews and features in Gulf News, Zoya, and more, we are confident that no other citizenship program offers this level of speed, security, and certainty. But this is not for everyone. This is for those who refuse to be stuck with a weak passport, for those who are trapped by an unstable economy, or for those who are at the mercy of a government that can change the rules overnight. And if that's you, for a limited time, we are offering a free, no obligation consultation, just an honest conversation about whether this is the right move for you. And let's be real, you probably know if it is. And if not, you will still walk away with absolute clarity on your best path forward. Because the reality is, most people don't realize how vulnerable their assets, business, and family truly are until it's too late. And that's why our clients don't waste years hoping things will get better. They take action, and in just 6 to 8 months, they secure a second passport guaranteed. The best time to take control of your future was yesterday. And the second best time is right now. So, click learn more and book your free consultation now.